إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Assalamu alaikum, my listeners. As you all know, today is online speech competition, so I would like to present my speech about drugs are poison killers. So drugs are available in all major urban areas, including educational institutions, bars, nightclubs. Therefore, it is not surprising that number of drugs users are increasing from year to year. Everybody know drugs is problem and how bad it is. But it is unfortunate to say our government is not taking any serious step against drugs. As I am a student, so it is unfortunate to say the big number of drugs consumers are students and our young generation. The bad impact of drugs is that it kills the future of students, kills the hope and kills the dream of parents. So time to time, drugs destroyed the life of students and in future they became unemployed person. In the end, I appeal our government, please take any serious step against drugs and I pray Allah Almighty that save all of us from drugs. Thanks.